Most people set goals, try once or twice and fail, then conclude that success isn't for them. If you are the type that easily gives up on the life, you won't get far. I am telling you the absolute truth. Trying one thing a million times only gives you a million more ways to do that particular thing differently. Get a proper goal and work day and night with the belief to make sure you win. All who have accomplished great things have had a great aim, have fixed their gaze on a goal which was high, one which sometimes seemed impossible. Take time to Google successful people. You will see that most successful people had strong goals, wills, and beliefs. The distraction causes failure. Setting strong goals is one thing, but reaching them is another thing. Some people set goals and get distracted along the way. Why would you risk your dreams and plans for a few minutes or hours of pleasures and distractions that will yield no tangible dividends? When I said you have the power that makes or break you, I meant it. Let me tell you the secret. If you set boundaries, you will have more focus on what you want to achieve. Years from now, you are either going to fail or succeed from the choices you make today. You have the power that makes you or breaks you. It doesn't matter if you fail. What matters is where you are going to. The key to living a successful life is to embrace your failures and use them as a stepping stone to accomplish all you hope to. Create a to-do list every day and write some realistic goals like going to the gym, waking up early, eating healthy, or doing meditation. Make these goals non-negotiable and try to achieve them in every possible case. Remember what is hard that you don't know and what is easy that you know. So make things easy by learning, discipline, and achieve a goal. You can do it. You will do it. You are not born to fail. Keep trying and you will achieve your dreams.